we'll guide you through how to create Asana portfolios. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to asana.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and locate the Portfolios tab. Click on it. If you don't see it right away, you might need to click on More to expand additional options. When you're in the Portfolios section, look for the Add Portfolio button, usually at the top right corner. Click on this to start creating a new portfolio. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your portfolio. Make sure it's something descriptive that will help you and your team identify it easily later on. After naming your portfolio, click Create Portfolio. Now that your portfolio is created, you can start adding projects to it. Click on the Add Work button, which is typically located within your new portfolio view. You'll see a list of all your available projects. Select the ones you want to include in the portfolio. This feature is great for keeping related projects organized and having a high-level view of progress and priorities. You can also customize your portfolio by adding fields like status updates, project owners, or deadlines to keep everything on track. Remember, any changes you make in these projects will automatically update in your portfolio view, keeping everything in sync. With your portfolio set up, you can now easily monitor the progress of multiple projects in one place, making project management a breeze. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.